What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know I look crazy, but I just woke up. I don't know why my tongue green. Oh, Jolly Ranchers. I need to do my lashes. But anyway, for today's video, I am finna hurry up and pack up because we are going to Memphis in May in like the next hour or so, and it was Cinco de Mayo yesterday and I was lit, so you know I ain't get a chance to pack no clothes for real or nothing like that. So that's what we finna do, and we're just gonna see what outfits we come up with. We're only gonna be there till tomorrow, but who cares? I still wanna look good. So, I'm trying to figure out where to set my camera up at.
3 hours later.
Okay. So we're gonna pack and see. I think we finished packing and then come back to when I get dressed because I need to put a move on this, and I guess I'll just show y'all the outfits as I go and wherever I pick out. So yeah, I'll see you after that. So I'm back. So here goes my bag. I got my flat iron soap, makeup bag, hair stuff, lotion, socks, lotion, my camera, also my Polaroid camera, slides, something to sleep in, all that, you know, little essentials and stuff. I'm finna do some light makeup. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I'll show that when I'm done. And that is all. Y'all, I'm back. So right now I am doing my makeup and stuff. My mom is on.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you loving. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight.
The longest to get ready, and that's fine. But I'm gonna hurry up and put this stuff up, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm dressed and ready for sure. What's up, y'all? I'm almost ready. My sister just got here.
I kind of want to take some heels.
Listen to her. She not even packed and ready, but it's okay because I wasn't packed and ready.
These.
Which ones?
Who's that?
It's the vlog, girl.
Okay, I'm wearing these with my dress.
Okay.
These with my graphic tee.
Okay.
And my visit clothes. And these.
Them Steve Madden shoes.
With my jumpsuit. Cause I think they look good.
Oh, you got a jumpsuit?
Yeah, my two-piece, the black and white one. But see, I'm gonna make it real grown because I'm gonna put my cut brown.
Ooh.
And I ain't gonna wear no shirt underneath. I'm just zip it.
Ooh.
With the cleavage out.
Okay, that's gonna be cute. Okay, you went out tonight? Where we going tonight?
I don't know.
I ain't never been to Memphis, so I hope mama gonna buy me a little drink, a little something. Let me take a little sip or something. If not, you gonna pass me some?
Boy, if you don't get...
We are almost ready to go. The lighting in here is not that good, but it's okay. It's okay. What's up? So everybody's here. We're getting ready to go. We're loading up the car. I'm grabbing me a fruit cup. How do you do this? I don't know. Ah! No, I'm just kidding. She be flying on this interstate. We got us
At the McDonald's, finna fuck some hoes up.
They McDonald's on Dickinson Road, no, Trinity Lane, Nashville, Tennessee. Don't stop here. Just saying.
These Mexicans trying to be feisty.
Ooh. Maybe because it was Cinco de Mayo yesterday.
No, they should have drunk them something for Cinco de Mayo. Maybe they wouldn't have no attitude.
They didn't want to come to work today.
Ooh, I got that before. My bag. I'm pouring my tea.
You got sweet tea? You didn't.
I'm finna be mad.
Not while driving.
Yeah, watch out.
She said, yeah, while driving. You're funny.
You think I ain't never drunk it?
I'm ready for my McDonald's. They need to come out.
Did you like Janet?
Oh yeah, girl, I only knew one song, but we still had a good time.
All this traffic.
Big.
You done had this shirt for years. It's cute though. I like it.
I hold on to clothes, you know.
I like these shoes though. Where you get these from?
My friend in Lebanon has an online boutique called Bestie's Boutique. And you just place your order and you go pick them up from her house. It was $90. Place your order.
Oh.
Bestie's Boutique. I think I added you to it.
Let's check it out.
No, they just find that shit good. They pay for the load.
What you doing with my bag?
So, currently getting ready to go somewhere. We don't even know where we're going yet, but alright. I'm just gonna leave on what I got on. Just got to see some gray shorts, pink shoes, some socks. You know, I might have to put the bangs out on them. We're gonna have to do that real quick. Give me a second. So, y'all. We don't know what we want to do.
I'm out of town, thugging with my round, my coochie pink,
my booty hole brown.
When shit moving.
Literally. No, I'm just playing. Oh. So right now we are currently on our way to Beale Street. Beale Street. Is it the second day? Memphis in May. What is this? Is it the second day?
Nah, girl. Memphis in May is all on.
Oh, it's all. Oh, I ain't know that. I ain't never been here. But yeah, I guess I'll just update y'all on what we do. You do what? I almost fell. Oh my god! He said, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So I sweated my hair out, but I had fun. Ain't that right? We had fun.
That's right.
It was worth it for a little hour and a half. But what y'all want to say to the vloggy vlog? Nothing. Silence. Nothing to say. Well,
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you loving. It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop, babe. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now,